how to enable your prefetch folder on your Windows. So if you're trying to clear your cache but you're not able to open your prefetch folder, this is what you can do. So if I open my run dialog box and search for prefetch and enter it, as you can see, nothing happens. So what I'm gonna do is open my File Explorer and find my Windows folder. It's usually on the C drive, so you can find it there and scroll down until you find the prefetch folder. If I try to open it, as you can see, nothing happens. So if I try to open it, it's still not opening. So what you can do is right click on the prefetch folder and then go to its properties. Now as you can see, there are different tabs at the top. Click on security and click on advanced. Click on this change the owner and type in everyone and then check names. This will automatically pick out this name, so you are going to click on OK and then make sure you check this box right here, replace owner on subcontainer and objects, and then you are going to enable inheritance and replace all child objects permissions entries with inheritance possible entries from this object. And you are going to click on apply, click on yes, yes, and then OK. And now you're just going to click on OK. Now after you do this, you should be able to open all of these files right here. And that's how you can easily access your prefetch folder on Windows. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.